Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to learn how to track project milestones in Monday.com, your 2025 complete guide. Let's dive right in. Step 1 is to create a new project. You'll want to do this by clicking on the Add New button on your dashboard. This is the start of your project journey, where you set up your working environment. Now that we've done that, it's time for Step 2, adding your project milestones. To do this, click on Add New Item and type in the name of your milestone. Remember, milestones are major project goals. They're the big, important steps to keep track of. Next up, let's assign our milestones. In Monday.com, you can assign people to each milestone, making it clear who's responsible for what. You do this by clicking on the Person column and selecting a team member. This helps us because it ensures accountability and keeps everyone in the loop. Now on to Step 4, setting due dates for our milestones. You can do this by clicking on the Date column and selecting a date. The reason we do this is to keep our project on track. Deadlines are crucial in managing our time and resources effectively. Finally, let's track our progress. Back on the dashboard, you'll see a progress column. As each milestone is completed, update the progress bar. Let me explain why this matters. It gives you a visual representation of how your project is moving along, making it easier to manage and control. So there you have it. You've created a project, set your milestones, assigned them to your team, set due dates, and now you're tracking progress all in Monday.com. It's a simple and efficient way to manage your projects and keep everyone on the same page. And that's it for today's video. Remember, the key to successful project management is to keep track of your milestones. With Monday.com, it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.